So today we're gonna do some outside mods. Last year, back during the summer, there was a hurricane that came through and actually put a dent. A branch fell from my tree and put a dent on top of my roof of my truck. So I'm gonna take it to the paint and body shop and go ahead and get that knocked out the way. I should have been had it done, but procrastination, keep putting it off, and I said I wasn't gonna put it off that much longer, and I got a little free time this week to go ahead and get it done. So that's where I'm headed to. Also, I'm gonna do a slight facelift. Now, I did check you guys' comments when I did a poll about should I stay with the original look that I have on here now, or should I go ahead and go with a new look? And it was kind of a mixture of people opinions. You know, some say, hey man, I like the new look, I think you should go with the new look. Some were saying, hey, the original look that you have right now, they like it as well. So we're gonna try the new look, and if it's not what we're looking for, the good thing is we can always go back, change it back to the original look. So that's the game plan. The first time I seen this grill that I got, I want to say I was on eBay, and I say, I think I can do something with this, you know, kind of give the truck a different look than most of the Tundras that we see out there that's second gen. So this ought to be something pretty interesting. Also, I'm gonna get my fender flares redone. I got some new ones, so I'm gonna get those painted color match, the same color of the truck. And also with the grill, I'm only gonna color match the outside of the grill. I thought about doing the inside of the grill as well, the insert, and I said, I was kind of iffy about that. Not sure how it would look, if I would like it or not. So I'm just gonna do the outside trimming of the grill color match, and then also gonna play around with a little bit of it after that as well. So we're headed to the paint and body shop and dropping the truck off.
We arrived at the shop, so I'm gonna have them to give it a whole facelift. I'm gonna have them change out that grill. That grill is gonna probably be a game changer. Some may like it, some may not, but we'll just see. I'm also gonna do the fender flares. I got some smooth fender flares that I want to put on here. Right now, the ones that I have on right now are textured fender flares. Yeah, guys, so I'm thinking about throwing a hood scoop on there as well. We're gonna see. I'm not gonna just set it in stone in my mind, because they might come back and say, hey man, we can't do it because this is not the hood scoop specifically for this hood, but we'll see. But that grill really gonna look good. It's gonna really set it off, I think, in my opinion. I think that grill would really give it a game changer, along with that hood scoop if they can mount it on, but we'll see though. Right now we're at the roof of the truck. The seal, the rubber seal right here, I'm gonna go ahead and get that replaced. It's all cracked up, worn out, and damaged. Also on the top of this roof, to the driver's side over here, right there at the edge, was where the tree branch had hit my truck. Yeah.
Había algo así, tuve que así, sellar, fibra.
Okay, you all, so there you go. Fixing everything that need to be fixed. This is not the final results yet. So right now they're just getting out all the dents that where the tree had made the damage at. My hard damage was right here on this side though. So, yep. One thing I like about this shop, they move very fast and they're very particular about what they do. That's a plus for me. That's what I like about this shop. It's a small shop, but they move like they're a big shop. So that's one of the uniqueness about this particular shop that I'm going to.
What's going on, Juco?
I'm getting a lot of work done on this truck as well, so I'm getting a lot of the imperfections on my paint corrected as well. So it's gonna be in the paint booth, getting a couple of things tweaked, getting the roof painted, also the hood. Now guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, this grill was not an easy grill to put on. They had to make some minor adjustments because the clips that originally comes with the grill, the last grill I took off, doesn't match with this grill right here, so they had to go in and make some adjustments, but they got it right, so now they're about to put it on. Now, one of the things that shocked me was I thought they was going to be able to tell me, hey man, we can't do that hood with the hood scoop because of whatever reason. Because actually this hood scoop is not really for this particular truck right here. The hood scoop is actually for the TRD Pros for the Tundras 14 through 21 year make. So I took a risk, but it was well worth it. And I'm pleased. I'm very impressed with the work that they got done. I want you all to let me know what you all think about it as well though. So some may like it, some may not, but it's all good. You know, just doing something to give it a different look, a different feel, and if I feel to choose to, I'll switch it up again. Right here, you guys, we have the 2nd gen and the 3rd gen comparison of the TRD Pro grill right here. Well, guys, that's it. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.